have some pictures for you here.
Hello.
I got some pictures.
What is this?
I have a lot of pictures here.
I'm gonna do this?
You have to identify what's on the picture
Okay.
and tell me.
What is game?
The game would be you have to identify what's on the picture and you tell me what's the first letter of each picture, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, get one picture.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Oh, you don't have to close your eyes.
I'm gonna close it.
You just pick one.
A first.
Make it faster. Make it faster. I'm gonna pick one. Okay, what's that?
Airplane.
What's that? Airport. Okay, what's the first letter?
A.
Wow, good job. Airport starts with the letter.
A.
Okay, get another one.
I'm gonna close my eyes again.
You don't have to close your eyes. Get faster.
Ant.
Okay, what's that?
Ant.
Ant. Okay, starts with the letter.
A.
Okay, what's the letter A?
Yeah.
Good job.
Okay. Another one.
Go faster. Oh, where's memory ko? What's that?
Iguana.
Let me see.
Iguana.
Oh yeah, it starts with the letter. What letter? Very good. Iguana starts with the letter. R. Okay.
Next one. Iron.
Oh yeah, it starts with the letter.
I.
Okay, where's the letter I? Very good.
See?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Other one.
Make it faster. What's that?
Astronaut.
Oh yeah, it starts with the letter. What? What letter? What letter? Is the astronaut? Good job. Astronaut.
Astronaut.
Mm-hmm.
Next one. I think this is the engine. Engine!
Okay, engine starts with the letter what?
I.
Good job. Next. Make it faster.
I think this is apple. It's ice cream.
Oh, ice cream starts with the letter.
I.
Good job.
Yeah. Elevator.
Wow, what it starts with the letter what?
Eh.
Okay, where's the letter? Wow, what letter is that?
I made a tree, teacher. See?
Okay, next.
Igloo.
Macy?
Igloo.
Oh yeah, it starts with the letter.
I.
Okay, good job.
Escalator.
Macy? Oh yeah, it's an escalator and it starts with the letter what? Very good. Good job.
Entrance.
Macy, it's an entrance and
Exit.
exit. And it starts with the letter what? Very good.
Pick one again. Landing.
What's that?
Island.
Oh, island. It starts with the letter what?
I.
Good job.
Alligator.
Oh yeah, alligator and it starts with the letter what? Very good.
So interesting.
Okay, Miss. Oh yeah, it's an interesting and starts with the letter what?
E.
Letter what?
I.
Okay, I.
Apple.
Macy.
Here.
Okay, apple starts with the letter what? Very good.
Elbow.
Elbow, okay, and starts with the letter what?
Eh.
Very good.
Eggplant.
Eggplant, okay. Wow.
Ambulance.
Wow, very fast, huh? Oh, ambulance. Show me the picture first.
L.
Oh yeah, it's an elf. Pilisa, it's an elf. Wow.
Ear.
Yeah, wow. What letter is that?
E.
What letter? What's that?
Ear.
Oh, it's an ear. And starts with the letter E. that one?
Eagle.
Oh, eagle starts with the letter what?
E.
Good job.
Airplane.
Can you see? Bisa, airplane. Wow, galing ah.
Egg.
Wow, bilis talaga.
Elephant.
Wow, elephant. Good job. Oh, more picture.
Yeah.
Okay, got him all.
Bye-bye.
Oh, no, we're not yet done. You tell me all of the pictures here. Okay, come on.
Here. I'm gonna go here on the right. I look.
Okay.
Airplane.
You show me the picture. What's that?
Plane.
They all start with the letter what?
Egg.
Okay, airplane.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Okay.
Airport.
Right here. Airport. Okay.
Alligator.
Alligator.
Astronaut.
Very good.
And
Good job.
apple.
Oh, next letter would be letter.
E.
Okay, tell me all of the pictures that starts with letter E.
Egg.
Mm-hmm.
Elephant.
Next. It's okay. Mm-hmm.
Eagle.
Mm-hmm.
Entrance. Exit.
Mm-hmm.
Ball. Eggplant. Elevator. Escalator.
Yeah, and the last one is.
E.
Okay, and they all start with the letter.
E.
Good job. And what's the next letter?
Igloo.
Mm-hmm.
Ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Iron. Intestine.
Good job.
Island.
Very good.
Engine.
Okay.
Iguana.
Good job.
Good
You
job.
got them all correctly.
I miss you, teacher. Mama.
I'll give you a big star.
Okay.
Yeah, big star, big star, big
Hey, Chico.
star. Okay, tonight.
Bye. I miss you. I'm gonna give you a big heart. Bye-bye. Like me. Don't forget, like me and follow on YouTube. Bye. Give you a big kiss. Bye-bye.